Let's start some fresh salad greens, easy in a container and at home. To make this simple and easy, have some cut and come again greens. Give a clip and you have some nice young spring greens for your salad. I like to use one of the gardening flats. I just line it with like some newspaper to keep the potting soil from falling all out the bottom, but the extra moisture still goes through. You go ahead and you fill that right up with a good potting soil, and then take whatever salad green seeds that you like. I've been using a mixture of black seeded Simpson, gourmet blend, and the Grand Rapids. And I just lightly sprinkle. You can see the size of these seeds. You see this is the mixture, that's why there's all the different colors. And you spread them lightly so they are just like putting sprinkles on the top of a cake. Don't worry too particularly about the spacing. With lettuce, it is important to always use fresh seed. Lettuce seed is one of the seeds that does not store well at all. Fresh seed every year for your lettuce. And then you take some more either potting soil, or I happen to have some vermiculite here, and spread that lightly over the top, just enough to cover it. And then you use the DIY seed water that I will link to. Wet that down, and in about a week, you will have this coming up from the lettuce seedlings.